If you just bought this bike, do this before your first ride. Find that factory toolkit and get the bike set up for you. This is the Kawasaki KLX 230, the CKD variant, a bare bones dual sport motorcycle. It comes with a stock toolkit, and just like the motorcycle itself, the toolkit is as minimal as it gets. But that doesn't mean this is useless. You will find the toolkit right above the battery. Just open the left side panel. Inside you get an 8 and 10 mm tubular box spanner, a 12-14 mm open-ended spanner, a screwdriver and a handle for it. Simple but enough to set up the basics. Let's start with the handlebar. Use the 10 mm box spanner and the screwdriver to loosen the handlebar clamps. Start by aligning the angle of the handlebar with the front fork. If you ride more technical trails, you can roll the handlebar slightly forward. It helps in slower sections. The trade-off is reduced comfort and feel at higher speeds. Once you've found your position, tighten the clamps in a crisscross pattern. Next, your hand control levers. Off-road riding means drops are part of the process, so bringing the levers slightly inward is recommended. It helps protect them and makes 1-2 finger operation much more easier. For the angle, this is important. If your levers are set too high, you will end up putting a lot of pressure on your wrists. Too low and your reach and control starts to suffer. So start with a neutral position, ride with it and adjust based on what feels natural to you. There's no perfect setting, only what works for you. For the front brake, use the 8 mm tubular spanner to loosen the clamp and set your preferred angle. For the clutch, you will need a 5 mm Allen key which isn't included in the stock toolkit. While you're here, if you are still using mirrors, take a moment to realign them as well. Next, foot control levers. Use the 10 mm box spanner to adjust the gear lever. Start with it level with the foot peg. Ride with this setting for a bit. Depending on your boots and riding style, you may want to bring it slightly higher. Using the 12 mm spanner, loosen the lock nut and rotate the adjustment rod using a 10 mm spanner, which is again not included in the toolkit. Start with the pedal level with the foot peg. Avoid going any higher than that. If anything, slightly lower works better for riding off-road. There's no perfect setting, only what works for you. That covers the essentials. If you're heading further off-road or into remote areas, it's worth adding a few essentials. Like a 4 mm Allen for your clutch, 6 mm Allen for your front wheel pinch bolts, 14 mm Allen for your front wheel axle, 10 mm spanner for your adjustment rods, and 17 and 23 mm spanners for your rear axle. And don't forget the basics: zip ties, cam strap, some duct tape, and a multi-tool. They can get you out of situations you didn't plan for. If you're just getting started, our crossbar handlebar trail pack is a great place to start for carrying these extra tools. If you already have a toolkit, you can carry it in something like the Enduro Trail Pack or the Tool Pack Pro. A motorcycle straight out of the box isn't really set up for you. Learning how to use the tools it comes with and making these basic adjustments is the foundation of riding the motorcycle well. Stock sense, understanding it before you upgrade.